Hi friends, let me show you. I have this Armor All cleaning machine for carpets and chairs and for my car's upholstery, for my car's seats, and it works great, but I needed a new cleaning solution. So I bought this OxiClean Carpet Cleaner that I'm going to use with all the things that I clean in my house with this machine. So it is a large bottle. It's 2 quarters, and I am very happy with the work that this machine does. I hope to complement that with my OxiClean Carpet Cleaner. Let's try it. So now we are going to prepare the clean water reservoir with our OxiClean. Okay. Some of the product in it, and the rest will be filled with water, okay? Here is the maximum liquid mark. You see it makes some bubbles because of the OxiClean liquid. And that's it. Perfect. Now let's go to the carpet area to clean. Okay, first we're going to clean this corner of the carpet. So first we need to connect this to the electric outlet. Let's do it. Here we have the main stain. Okay. We're going to turn on our machine. We pour some of the product. We are pouring first the water with the cleaning solution, and now we are going to vacuum it. Now we're going to clean the car's carpet, okay? Let's do it. Now let me show you the dirt water that we got from the cleaning job that we did. Okay. You can see how dirty the water is. Okay. See? And, well, you can't smell it, but the product, the cleaning product, the OxiClean, gives a nice, fresh scent to whatever you clean with it. So it's a nice option. Your house, your car, all your accessories will be clean and with a really nice smell. So for any cleaning job with this kind of machines or any other, this is a really nice option. Thank you.